Hey everyone, my name is Jay and today I'll be teaching you how to install GNOME and VNC Server on your Linux server. This will allow you to control your server using the GUI rather than the console. Also, just as a note, this tutorial is for CentOS. First, you will have to install the VNC server by running the command shown on the screen. Now you will install the GNOME desktop environment by using the following command. Okay, you can now start creating user accounts. I'm going to make one called desktop, and what we're going to do is also we're going to log into the account and create a VNC password. And now we will edit the configuration files. So in here we will set up VNC users and the window dimensions. Now we have to start and stop the VNC server. This will create the startup script that we will need to edit. Okay, so now log into the user you created earlier and edit the startup script. You will need to uncomment the third and fourth lines. Now just save the script, exit back into root, and then start up the VNC server service. And then you're pretty much ready to use it. Okay, so the last step is pretty obvious. All you have to do now is open your VNC client, connect to your server, and then you're pretty much ready. And for those of you that would rather have a VPS with GNOME and VNC pre-installed, you can visit our website, tailoredvps.com, and provision a server with our pre-made template.